Nice wide L barrier control board, full wiring and terminal explanation. Hello friends, welcome back to Auto Door Surgeon. Today, in this detailed video, we will fully explain the nice wide L barrier gate control board wiring connections step by step. In this video, we will cover power input connections, flashing light wiring, push button connections, safety photocell wiring, step-by-step control terminals, open and close command terminals, antenna connection, important jumper settings, external accessories wiring. So watch carefully until the end because this is a complete technician level guide. Board overview. First, let us understand the control board layout. On the board you can see main terminal block, motor connector, fuse section, limit switch connector, dip switches, radio receiver slot, programming buttons, external accessory terminals. This control board controls the full barrier operation including opening, closing, safety, flash lamp, photocells, external push buttons, remote receiver, terminal number identification. Now let us focus on all terminal numbers carefully. The main terminals are numbered from Terminal 3 up to Terminal 15. Each terminal has a different function. Terminal 3 and 4. Flashing light connection. Terminal 3 and 4. These terminals are used for the flashing warning lamp. Purpose. The lamp flashes whenever the barrier is moving. It gives safety warning to vehicles and pedestrians. Connection. Connect flashing lamp wires to terminals 3 and 4. This output provides flashing signal automatically. Important. The flashing cycle is 0.5 second ON, 0.5 second OFF. During gate movement. If your flashing lamp has built-in antenna, antenna wire also connects nearby at aerial terminals. Connection of photocell. This is single pair of nice photocell. This is a circuit diagram of transmitter and receiver. First, connect the power supply of the transmitter and receiver. In control board terminal 6, connects on transmitter sensor terminal 1 by wire. In control board terminal 5, connects on transmitter sensor terminal 2 by wire. Now this the 24-volt power supply of the transmitter. Connect the same power supply to receiver sensor. Now this is the connection of power supply of the transmitter and receiver sensor. Let's explain the safety terminals in the control board. Then we will connect. Terminal 11 is photo terminal. This is photocell safety input. Normally closed, and C. The function is during closing. If photocell beam interrupted, barrier stops or reverses. The wiring connections. Connect terminal 11 and terminal 6 of the control board on receiver sensor. I will show you the connection. Terminal photo 2 input. The terminal 12 is photo 2, another safety photocell input. The function works mainly during opening cycle. If obstacle detected, barrier stops or reverses. The wiring is terminal 12 with terminal 6. IIF unused safety add jumper between terminal 6 and terminal 12. If photocell not installed, the wiring is terminal 12 with terminal 6. IIF unused safety add jumper between terminal 6 and terminal 12. If photocell not installed, add jumper also between terminal 6 and terminal 11. Terminal 8. This is the courtesy light output. Function. When barrier starts moving, courtesy light turns on. After barrier stops, light remains on for about 60 seconds. Then turns off automatically. Useful for parking areas, garages, night visibility. Connection. Connect courtesy light between terminal 8 with terminal 6. Terminal 9. Open gate indicator. Function. OFF when barrier fully closed. ON when barrier open. Slow flash during opening. Fast flash during closing. Very useful for guard rooms, security monitoring, traffic indication systems. Connection. Connect indicator lamp between terminal 9 and terminal 6. Terminal 10. Stop input. This is normally closed, and C. Safety input. Used for emergency stop buttons, safety switches. Important. If stop device activates, barrier stops immediately. Wiring. One wire to terminal 10 and one wire to terminal 6. Very important. If stop input is not used, you must place a jumper between terminal 6 and terminal 10. Otherwise, system will not operate. Terminal 13. Step-by-step input. This is the most commonly used command input. Sequence. Every press changes operation. Open, stop, close, stop. Devices connected. Push button. Key switch. GSM relay. Access control. Intercom relay. Wiring. Normally open contact between terminal 13 and terminal 6. Terminal 14. Open command. This input performs open-only command. Sequence. Open, stop, open, stop. Use. Dedicated open button. Exit sensor. Access control. Wiring. NO contact between terminal 14 and terminal 6. Terminal 15. Close command. This input performs close-only command. Sequence. Close, stop, close, stop. Wiring. NO contact between terminal 15 and terminal 6. Used for. Dedicated close push button. Guard control systems. Important jumper rules. Very important technician information. If NC inputs are unused, must add jumpers to terminal 6. Example: 6 to 10, 6 to 11, 6 to 12. Without jumpers, barrier will not work. NO input rule. Normally open inputs. Terminal 13. Terminal 14. Terminal 15. If unused, leave them empty. Do not jumper NO terminals. Switch 12 OFF. Standard operation mode. Switch 12 ON. Enables. Photo test. OA. Standby mode. Configuration depends on system programming. Fuses explanation. Board has F1A fuse. F8A fuse. Function. Protect board from short circuit, overload, accessory damage. Always replace with same fuse rating only. Limit switch connection. The board includes FCA, open limit switch, FCC, close limit switch. These tell the board fully open position, fully closed position. Very important for barrier stopping accuracy. So friends, this was the complete wiring and terminal explanation of the nice wide L barrier gate control board. Now you can easily understand all electrical terminals, safety inputs, push button controls, photocell wiring, flashlight connection, open and close commands.